Okay, hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today I am vlogging my Indie Beauty Expo experience. So I'm here at the California Market Center in downtown LA, and I'm meeting up with the CEO and co-founder of Moonlit skincare. So she's like a skincare company that I have talked about before and on my channel, and we're gonna go to this expo. It's pretty much like a little like convention for small indie branded beauty companies. So that's what we're going to today, and I wanted to take you guys along with me. Again, I'm at the California Market Center right now, and yeah, it's really exciting times. So let's go take a look and see what's inside. I am here with Steffi. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I am the co-founder of Moonlit Skincare.
Yes, she's the co-founder. I'm like with a famous person right now, you know. She sells in Riley Road, like a huge retailer. So anyways, we're here at the Indie Beauty Expo, and we're wondering what to do because we're completely lost. Oh, we're coming in. Okay.
Your booze with me in case we get stuck, right?
Oh, good. It's not a madhouse yet.
I know at 6 it gets crazy.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There is some of
So, well, let me turn this around. Yeah. So Steffi's the expert because she's actually had a booth.
Yeah, I've
right?
been twice.
She's had exhibits twice in the last 2 years. And now we're here just exploring all of the new brands here. There are so many incredible indie brands. I'm so excited to test out new products, take some cute Instagram photos, let's be honest. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys around and show you all of the amazing brands that are here that hopefully you can see in your next retailers like Sephora or Nordstrom or even at Riley Rose. So let's take a look. We've got makeup makeovers going on. It smells so good in here. We've got flower walls. Oh my goodness. We've got essential oils. 5 simple ingredients. Okay. So we're seeing all of these brands that you guys probably have not heard of. If you have, comment down below. Let me know if you've heard of any of these brands that you're seeing around. Because this is so cool.
And then if you get a duo pack, they're 43, and then tonight they're 36.
We've got all the crazy brands
Or
here.
it comes up to like high 30s or
Honeybell, clean, cruelty-free, natural beauty. Started with these loofah soaps. That's amazing. So that's a loofah?
That's a loofah, yeah.
That's a loofah. Oh my gosh. And then there's a soap. Wait, I don't understand. So you wash your hands with this?
So this is actually for your body. You massage it and you're getting an exfoliation as well as a lather.
That's so cool. And then just like the whole thing kind of snowballs. Yeah, like you're doing the rollers. Skincare that you already have. Right.
Very user-friendly.
Okay. That's amazing. Do you want to say hi in the vlog? Hi. This is wait, you didn't.
Adriana. Hi, this is Adriana.
Adriana. And
Yeah, we're here at Honeybell LA 2019.
Amethyst as well as the aventurine and all of our fun accessories.
look at this jewelry. So it's called Honey Minx. This is Nicole Richie's. Oh, let's switch spots. This is Nicole Richie's newest line. Look at this cosmetic bag. That's so cute. That's really, really cute. She's got all these accessories. Amazing. I love this. I love that like little detail. That's really cute. Oh. Toys for sex. Interesting. Okay. Oh, I've heard of Juvalips before.
That's our new body butter. It's unscented.
What does Steffi think of it? Is it? Ooh.
One of the main ingredients is tallow.
Oh.
And all of our products are
100% certified organic. And you have to smell this one.
Should the camera smell it?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
This is called lemon cream.
Okay, yeah, it smells like that. The Juvalips booth. Do you guys want to say hello?
Hi.
Yes, say hello to YouTube. Okay, so we're gonna use this. I'm scared. I'm scared for the Juvalips. I'm scared. Okay, let's do it. Wait, what do I do?
So you're gonna press your lips. Move your lips, press them in there, and then once you press the button, it'll go for 60 seconds. It'll stop automatically. So just hang out, relax until it's in there, and then you'll have pump lips.
Once it's going, make sure your lips are relaxed.
And then we're just gonna stare at you. Yeah. It's a road test of Juvalips at EXPO, and it's gonna leave her with a fuller lip line for 6 to 8 hours without injections, without the cost, the time, the gas to dry it. It's something you can do whenever you want to. It's safe, which is my biggest thing. You can increase the volume of your lip line, your pucker. You can feather out the fine lines that come when you drink from your water bottle. Oh, it's done. It worked.
It worked.
Yeah,
It worked. Actually, it worked.
landed.
It actually worked.
It landed.
Oh my gosh, it actually worked.
It's awesome.
Wait, I have like lipstick.
Oh, it's okay. They're replaceable.
We'll replace them out. It's okay.
Oh my gosh.
Did it work?
Yeah, like my upper lip. Because I have a small upper lip.
Yes. So it gave you more balance between your bottom.
Yeah, and my bottom and
More
top.
synergy.
Wow.
See?
Yeah.
Juvalips, we are indie.
It works. It works. Does it work? It works. Yay. Yeah. Wow. Thank you so much. Yeah, that'll be in the vlog. Bye. Ooh, look at my lips. I feel like I have to walk around like. So Steffi is just so popular and so famous. This here is. Ooh, I wonder. Can I play with this? Okay, I'm like. I'm Cardi B, y'all. Cardi B. They've got Kim Kardashian. Wow. So cute. Let's see if I can make this face. So fun. Oh, so fun. So it's like all of these rose hip mists and oils. Look at these lashes though. Look at these lashes. Wow. Oh wait, I know Iconic Beauty. Drake and Jay-Z's face. Hi, Steffi. Yes, hello. Look at this brand. This is called Stila Z. I don't really know. I've never heard of them before. Oh, these brands. Amazing. We've got, this brand is, but we've got some body butters. It's so nice to like, look at all these brands. Steffi and I are on the move. We're on the move, people. We are moving and grooving. I love these like walls. Some of these booths have really cute like little decor situations. Like the nature lab or lap coats. Oh wait, I've heard of this brand called Rosebud. Oops, sorry. Is this for your face or for your Oh, it's for your multi-purpose.
You can use it on your face.
These are face and your It's really fun here, and wearing the turtleneck was not a good choice. So we're like seeing all these brands, we're meeting all of these owners, and it's really cool because this is like an indie expo. So all of these brand owners are here at the expo. Like normally you don't get to meet the CEOs, you don't get to meet the founders, but we're here at the expo and you get to meet the founders, you get to meet the people who started the brands and started the companies and stuff. So that's really, really cool, which I think is awesome. There's brands that I have heard of, like Lapcos, like right there, right there. There's like a brand called Lapcos there. I've heard of them. I've seen them in Riley Rose. And then there's other brands that I've never heard of. Steffi has introduced me to a ton of brands, which is really cool. But you know what? I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I just spit. It's pretty overwhelming to be at a place like this. Like, there's a lot going on. There's a lot of people.
I don't know what I just put on my hand.
She doesn't know what she just put on her hand. It's like it's badge. Yeah.
But she was like, you don't on your face.
You can't though. So we're here like experiencing all of these really, really cool brands. Ooh, yes, water please. Ooh, pour water. Thank you. Thank you so much. So we've got pour, Lapcoste. I know this brand. That's the brand. I know. But again, from Riley Lowe's. Ooh, I think this is the Instagram spot. This is the spot that everyone takes Instagram photos. Again, Stephanie is so popular. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? And she's just saying hi to people. So I'm gonna do a little shopping while we're here, while we're out, and just like meet some people. I don't know. Oh, we've got some product shot taking over here. That's so cool. Let me tell you, I need to take a break. I need to sit down. I'm sitting down right now. It is so crazy. But my lips though they look fuller. Like, I really didn't think so. I felt kind of bad because I was like, oh, it looks different. But I'm like standing right there in front of their salesperson or their like CEO. And I'm like, yeah, it looks different. But I like really didn't notice anything. But right now I actually noticed something. Like, I actually noticed a difference, which is crazy. But I'm just like sitting down. My feet are hurting. Were these shoes the best option? I don't know, but I'm sitting here and it is hot AF. So Steffi and I just left. We're in the lobby now of the building, but we just left. It got really overwhelming. I saw Mariana Hewitt and Lauren Gores again for the second time. And I tried to take an IG video, but I don't know what happened and it crashed. So I screenshotted the video and then, I don't know, kind of sad, but it's not a big deal. But yeah, I'm just waiting for her to come out of the bathroom. She's coming out right now. But we were talking about doing an ASMR video with our favorite skincare and stuff. But I need to go home. My feet hurt so bad. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow and see Moonlit Skincare. Steffi's company, amazing. They're gonna do big things. And anyways, I'm gonna sign off on the vlog now. Bye.